Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin from Florals.com, and today I have my Kill a Kit as well as my layout share for the How to Kill a Kit with Style kit from November. As many of you know, I didn't share that much about this kit. I didn't do too much with it, but I will be sharing it all in one video this time. Usually I do like a Kill a Kit and then sometimes I'll do the layout separately than the Kill a Kit, but this time it's all in one. So to get started, this was my favorite layout of the month that I made with my kit. It was for Wild Whisper Designs. Really loved it. Used their new Palm Paradise collection. Really cute, and I stamped. Guys, those stamps come out in December. Be on the lookout for those from Wild Whisper. I'll have all the process videos linked down below. I also made this mixed media layout. Like I said, I'm trying to do more mixed media. I'm also trying to do what I like the most, which is not mixed media. So I did this one. Sorry, I was a little out of frame, which was fun. Again, link down below. I made one card for Wild Whisper, and this went up at the end of the month. So it just says, Hello Paradise, and then I used the new stamps to stamp Aloha on the inside. Super cute. And then I did some pages in my Vermont album. So I have this one. I'll do a little closer shot because it's going to be a lot easier to do it that way. So there's this one, which is like a butterfly. And we got this double page spread with the blues. So fun. And then lastly, this one is also probably one of my favorite pocket pages with the blue fruit and then the butterflies. So essentially I made, if you count these ones as their individuals, made 4 pocket pages, 2 layouts, and a card, which is slim for me, but that's because I was doing other things. I might film a regular layout wrap up for my channel, like a regular one that shares everything I made, not including what I made with the kit, but I don't know yet. I haven't decided, but we'll see. So essentially I have everything left because I didn't do much of anything with it. I also have the like mixed media container over here. I might as well grab that to share with you. I used this and this, which is good. I used 2 things that I said I was going to. I think that's it out of my mixed media container. So some of these will be coming back probably in December, but it's a little bit different because I had to prep a lot of December's videos in advance, so I actually filmed those in November. So it's a little bit wonky. I'll be sharing my December kit after I've made most of my December videos, but it's still the same supplies. Used a lot of wood veneer this time, a lot of sequins. I definitely could keep this kit together. I could see myself using it maybe in January after the Christmas season's over. I really wanted to try to finish this up. This will probably go in an expiration date pile. If you guys don't know, in my craft room cleanup episodes, I talk about expiration dates on some of my papers and paper pads that are almost done or I've had for way too long and I'm not utilizing. I put an expiration date on it that'll get donated or gifted away if there's very little left. So this will probably go in that pile. I could create 2 cards with that pretty quickly. I don't think I used the Wild Heart paper at all. I don't think I used these stamps at all. I used a couple of these stickers, which is good because those hadn't been touched. I used a bunch of these puffy stickers. This was a really fun kit. I just had a very busy month, and December's no different. Luckily, I'm pre-filming in November for December, so that's probably why I cut this kit a bit short, was because I had to cut into November's time with December stuff. So I used both of these beautiful stamp sets from Wild Whisper. I do have my discount code always down below in case you guys are interested. And then I pretty much did great with the Wild Whisper stuff. I don't think I have many full pages, if any, left of the 12 by 12 paper. I'm pretty sure I cut into all of them and used a bunch of them, so there's that. I used, I think, 1 of these, none of this, and none of my pre-die cut papers or my other papers that I had pulled out, except 1 cardstock I used. So overall, not a whole lot was killed or made. Like I said, I contribute that to being very busy, in and out of town quite often, and then, you know, just running out of time. November's an interesting month with the holidays and stuff. We get time off, but I also want to spend time with family, so it's like, you know, you want to spend time doing your thing, but you also need to spend time doing things with others. So I will be putting this away. I don't plan on keeping it together. Luckily, when I sorted it like this differently this time, which 100% recommend, if you guys have the the IKEA organizer that everybody uses for their kits most of the time. That's great, especially when you don't have as many small things as this. But if you want to do a lot of different like die cuts and you know it's going to be a bigger kit, I would recommend doing something like this, or using that same organizer and just getting like baggies by color. I found this very, very easy to find embellishments for my pages. Like, for example, if I go back to the first one I showed you, it was very easy for me to find something that matched this yellow cardstock that I had, or pull in another element of green because they were sorted out by color. So I pulled one out of the green and one out of the yellow. Very convenient, as well as the washi tape. I used, I think, 2 different ones. I used the pink one and the yellow one, which, have you ever seen a thinner washi tape? Holy moly, that's thin. But this is probably my favorite layout. I got to stamp on it. I really look forward to stamping more on my layouts, which you'll see in December, so stay tuned. And I also wanted to announce that you guys have to be on the lookout for December, because I'm doing 12 days of giveaways, where on any of my social media outlets I'll be posting a giveaway that day. And you guys can be entered to win some very, very fun goodies. So I don't want you to miss out. But there'll be some here on YouTube, so don't worry. You'll see them when they pop up. Things I might want to keep in the next kit. I'm really desperate to use this heavy gel medium gloss. But I don't know if I want my December kit to be a Christmas kit, or if I should make something separate. That way I'm not sick of Christmas. But I really need to finish my Christmas album from 2 years ago. So I'm still in that sort of dilemma. But I'll have my kit up after this goes up, so you guys will be able to see it. But let me know your thoughts about using the same kit over. I know some of the ladies have done that in their videos, that they've kind of just expanded their kit. But I think I'm going to create maybe page kits for the next one, or maybe a kit to create page kits from. Oh, that's what we'll do. How about for December, instead of me making layouts, I'll take this, what we have already divided out here, add some more stuff into it, and then we'll make page kits together throughout December. So December is a busy, busy video month. So maybe towards the end I'll start making page kits with this. That way I don't have to put it away, because I've done all the work of matching it, and I really don't want to lose that because it's all done for me. So maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll do it like I do for my Disney album, where I do pockets, pages, well, they're just 12 by 12 pages full of coordinating product for that photo. So maybe I'll walk you through that process with this kit, because I could definitely do some Disney layouts with this as well. But that's it for the Kill a Kit for November. It was a slower month for this, but again, there's a ton coming in December, so be on the lookout for that. Let me know what you guys think, which one was your favorite. Honestly, this one was my favorite, but then we have the pocket pages, the card, and then the mixed media layout. So let me know what you think again. I always appreciate your guys' thoughts. And let me know if you'd like How to Kill a Kit with Style to continue into the new year. That's something I'm still weighing the options of. I think a month is almost too little of a time sometimes for me to work with a kit. Sometimes, since I build them so big, I need more time to work with them. So let me know your thoughts about that. Like, how long do you work with a kit, or do you have several kits? Do you want me to just do page kits instead? Which are sort of new to me. I don't usually do page kits, but I'm always willing to give it a try if it'll be good for everyone else. So let me know again in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!